Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your new month reading November 2021 and I will do this reading in a Celtic cross spread. As you are seeing that I have already shuffled cards and spread them out to this Celtic cross spread, and this will be general reading. It may resonate you, may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest and let me know in the comments how much is it is resonating you. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and let's start your reading without any further delay. So in underneath cards, you are having three of cups and seven of wands. Here I'm seeing that you are defending yourself to be social, or maybe you are trying to defend yourself from people who are trying to make gossiping about you, or maybe who are trying to uh, influence you, or maybe people who are trying to harm you. It can be people of your family, and they can be your friends. So you're trying to defend yourself, or I'm picking one more message here. If you are already in a connection and you are finding someone from the gatherings of friends and family, so you are you are attracting to this person, but you are defending yourself to be indulged in a third party situation. So you are trying to make yourself defend, and you are making boundaries around you. You don't want to cheat your person, or maybe you don't want to involve in a third party. So you are trying to uh, uh, make yourself away from gatherings and being social. You are not interested in this month, or or maybe you are trying to defend yourself from people who are very much influential over you. Maybe in past people became lot influence over you. So that's why you are trying to make yourself on a defense from those people who are egoistic, who are trying to uh, who are trying to control your life. So you are defending yourself from these kind of people. So here you are in a anxiety. Maybe you're aloof, detached, or you're anxiety because you're feeling that you're alone now. So that's why, or maybe it's like that because of third party, you you and your person having some kind of breakup. So you are in a anxiety. You are spending sleepless night right now, and you are missing your person by waking up at night at midnight, and you just cry and miss your person. So this kind of situation you are having, or maybe it's just a simple worry that you are trying to defend yourself those people who are trying to be influential over you, trying to trying to control your life. So you are not letting them control your life now. You are defending yourself. You are making boundaries around you. So this is your wish. It's like that you want abundant family life. You want something stable in your life. If you're single, you want stability in your love life now. You want a stable connection in your life now. You see other people's who are married and couple, so you are wishing to have a family life now, which is stable and long term. But you have to work hard for this. You take responsibility. This abundant life brings lot of responsibility also. So this will be a challenge for you. Or maybe this is a month where your wish is going to granted by universe, that you are entering in a commitment or in a relationship where you are, but there are a lot of responsibilities are coming towards you. That will be a challenge for you. You are having abundant life, but there is a responsibility also comes. So this will be a challenge for you. It's like that. I'm picking up a message that here this is the responsibility over you, that you should not indulge yourself in a third party, as you are in a abundant and long term stable commitment with someone else also. So this is the big responsibilities. This is the challenge for you, that You want abundant life also, and there is a big responsibility over your shoulder to maintain this abundant life, this family life. So you want to make your love life and your family life, your married life abundant. um, that's why it's a big responsibility to have it on your shoulders. That's why you are trying to defend yourself, and this is your wish, your this is the wish of yours, and that your wish is granted here. Maybe that you are entering in a commitment and committed relationship, but a lot of responsibilities are on your shoulders. That this can be a challenge for you in the month of November. Or it's like that is, it can be simple situation where you are just a homey person, whether you are male or whether you are female, or maybe you are just in a relationship, you are trying to defend your relationship from people who are trying to influential you, who are trying to take control of your love life or your married life. Or maybe if you are a simple homey person, um, so here you want your family life where you should, um, before you defended yourself from people who are trying to influence you, but now you want them back, maybe because lot of responsibilities came on your shoulders. So this challenge you are not able to handle alone, so you want those people back in your life. So here you are waiting for those people. Maybe you are waiting from the response from those people, or maybe there is a good news coming in your way from your person. um, your person is also wanted to be in a peaceful environment with you. So that's why you are trying to defend yourself and your family from people who are trying to involve and influential in your married life. So this can be a challenge for you to have a stability in your current relationship. um, if there is a breakup situation, or if there is a situation where you are trying to cut out those people, now those people trying to come back to you, and they are trying to overcome all this thing where you make yourself defensive from them. So they won't apologize, they want you to forgive them. So but this also an unhealthy situation. It is not easy if you want this person, if you are having breakup with because of third party. You are now forgive you want forgiveness from this person because this is becoming a in toxicity, toxic now. So maybe you want forgiveness from this person, you want back this person because of you, your abundant family life got disrupted, and this is the responsibility of your shoulder over your shoulder to make this uh, things better again. So you need to be strong. Universe is asking you to be strong here. If you are going to resolve things in your family situation, in your love life situation, so here you will have these kind of obsession, overthinking, missing period, anxiety, this kind of situation. You need to come out from this. For this you have to be strong here. uh, um, if because of these people, or maybe because of this third party, your stable life would become disturbed. So your partner, or maybe your partner moved away from you, so you have to clear out all things. You have to ask forgiveness from your person, but it's not easy. Things will be resolved, you will see you will find out a way to resolve things, but it's not easy. So this will be a little bit difficult, or it can be toxic for you. So you have to be careful, and you have to make yourself strong here. Here I'm seeing that romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth exploring. Whatever you are feeling for your person with whom you are having a stable connection, Your feelings are real. um, Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. If you want this person back in your life, so this person is your soulmate connection. True love, this is the romance of your lifetime. This person is the romance of your lifetime. That's why you are trying to make them back in your life, and you are very much anxiety, because this person left you. So you need to make them come back in your life, and this will be not easy, but you have to do this. This is your responsibility, and this is your challenge for the month of November. So Pisces, that was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like, comment, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.